Hi, I'm Loretta. I'm the owner of Crowns by Design, and I'm a hairstylist. I've been a licensed stylist for 19 years. I suffered from postpartum hair loss, and I decided that I was not going to buy a wig in the store, and I started making my own wigs. Crowns by Design came up when I thought about the experience that my clients have when they put on one of our crowns. It's like they transform. They transform into the queen that they are. My daughter Naomi suffered from a fungal infection in her scalp when she was about, say, 4 or 5. And so I created a natural essential oil blend formula. I started using it on my clients because it actually worked, and clients actually started requesting to purchase it. I want every client to know that when they're wearing a Crowns by Design crown, that it is just not an average wig. It's something designed especially for you to help you not only look good, but feel good. Everything that I create with Crowns by Design has a purpose. It came out of a necessity, a need. The Scalp Nectar was a need to help my daughter. The wigs, the crowns, it was all about me helping myself with my hair loss issues. Everything that you can expect from Crowns by Design definitely is something that is real, not only to myself, but I'm assuming every woman out there, that we all need something. The products that I want to provide are going to fulfill those needs. My mom passed away recently of cancer, and I definitely want to give back to anyone experiencing any hair loss due to cancer, alopecia, or any other issue that created their hair loss. So I will definitely be doing giveaways to clients throughout the year. So if I could provide crowns for ladies going through any emotional trauma like that, that would make me so happy. And definitely that's something that I want to do in the future.